Hello students, how are you all? Hope so you all are happy and safe. Okay, last period we have learned the concept of physical efforts and mental efforts as well as parts of computer. Okay, hope so you revise that points. So today we are going to learn next point, that is functions of a computer. Here 3 points are there, that is first one input, second processing, and third one is output. These are the main functions of a computer. Okay, now what is mean by input? Input means data enter into a computer, that is called input. Data means what? Information, numbers, letters or any another picture. Okay, by using keyboard whatever information we are typing, that information will be displayed on the screen. So that is a input. Okay, so it is important. Next one point is a processing. What is mean by processing? When the computer work on input, that is called processing. Means when we enter something into the computer, CPU process on that information. Okay, so that is a processing part. After processing, output. What is mean by output? Information given out by a computer after processing the input, it is called output. Okay, and that output will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so for example, monitor and printer, these are the output devices. Okay, here I have one example. Okay, by using keyboard we have to type two numbers into the computer. So input two numbers, that is the input. Without that two numbers it is not possible to make addition. Okay, and then CPU will process on that addition process. So that is make calculation part. So that is a process. And what is meant by output? We get the output after the addition, after the process. So that is a output. Here 5 is the output, and that output will be displayed on the monitor. Here one more example I have, that is a flour mill. Okay, all students know about flour mill? Yes. Here again three steps are there: input, processing and output. What is mean by input? We have to put grains in that big vessels, so that is the input. And then grinding, grains grinding, that is a processing. And when we will get actual flour, that is a output. Okay, so input, output, and input, processing and output. Here input means what? Food grains. Processing means what? Grinding process. And output means what? Flour. Have you understood everybody? Yes. Now next one more example I have, that is a washing machine. Okay, in this process when we will enter, means when we will insert dirty clothes, so that is the input. Washing machine do the process of wash, rinse and spinning, so that is a process. And when we will get the actual clean clothes, so that is a output. One more example, ATM. When we will insert the card, so that is the input. Machine will count the that numbers, how much money they required, and when we will get the output, actual money, so that is the output. Understood? Hope so you understood that all points. Okay, this much for today. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.